So welcome to the course. My name is Jimi Blake and I'm here in my garden, Hunting Brook Gardens in Ireland. What we're going to do in this course is we're going to look at the late season in the garden. So it's kind of towards the end of August, going into September, and we're going to look at dahlias and salvias because they're one of the best plants for extending the seasons for me. So we're going to take a really deep look at what dahlias I'm using and what salvias I'm using. We're also going to look at leaves. We're going to look at those exotic leaves. We're going to look at leaves that aren't necessarily exotic but look exotic, that bring drama to your garden. We're also going to look at extending the seasons. How do I extend the seasons in Hunting Brook? Okay, I mentioned salvias and dahlias and leaves, but then there's the late perennials that we're going to look at. And we're going to look at some of the annuals in the garden as well. At the end of the course, I want to look at planning for next year, which I think is one of the most important things you do right through the year, but especially at this time of year, when the garden is still looking quite good and you can still identify the plants. You can decide what you're going to do for next year, how you're going to have the most incredible garden. So the main thing you're going to learn from this course is how to make your garden look really good late in the season, and hopefully you can put this into practice in your own gardens and get lots of ideas of plants to grow, combinations to use, and design ideas to use in your own garden for late in the season.